Hello everybody, good afternoon to all of you. At first take my salam. Assalamu alaikum. How are you doing today? Hope you all are fit and fine. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Now I want to say something about my topic, my favorite books. Reading book such an outstanding habit for all people. I love to read. There are so many books all over the world, but I like English related books. I like reading because it's develop my skill and it's develop my vocab power. Also, I learn so many things from English books. Nowadays, books provide us so many information like traveling and culture and skill develop. The non-fictional book is famous for all world. By reading books, you can improve your English level and also writing skill. If you read more books, it will be beneficial for your future. By reading books, it make our mind cool. There are so many types of books, fictional, non-fictional, and novel, etc. We must read so much various type of books every day cause is develop our knowledge, our verbal abilities, our writing, our communication skill, and lots of. If you need to gain your knowledge in within short time, you must need to read books. At the last session, I want to say if you want to gain more knowledge, so read more books, and if you have any favorite books, buy and read it. No more. Thank you for being me today. No more today. I can finish my speaking because I'm so nervous. Allah Hafiz. Take care, everyone. Assalamu alaikum.